All right, let me cut across to some big breaking news coming in. Aam Aadmi Party's Bhagwant Mann, Punjab Chief Minister, all set to meet Arvind Kejriwal in jail. In fact, he's just entered Tihar jail. He is given a meeting time at 12 p.m. 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. is the slot that's been given to him. The meeting is likely to happen any time now. In fact, it will take place as per the jail manual. This will be the first ever meeting that Bhagwant Mann will have with the sitting Chief Minister of Delhi, who is currently in prison in Tihar jail in the Delhi liquor policy case. There is a grill in the jail which has a glass wall and an iron grill through which Bhagwant Mann is likely to be communicating with Arvind Kejriwal. He's given permission and from 12 p.m. all the way to 2 p.m. to interact with Kejriwal. Pankaj Jain, our correspondent, joining us live for more on that. Pankaj, give us more. As we know that Arvind Kejriwal पहली बार भगवंत मान से मिल रहे हैं तिहाड़ जेल से, तो इनका जेल मैनुअल का रूल्स क्या है, कितनी देर तक वो बातचीत कर सकते हैं केजरीवाल से?
Nabila, I'm outside Tihar jail gate number 1 where Bhagwant Mann is meeting Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi Chief Minister. Let me take you towards the visuals. This is gate number 1 where heavy police deployment is done, and for 20 minutes Bhagwant Mann can meet Arvind Kejriwal, and as we know through the visuals, Sandeep Pathak, who is Aam Aadmi Party MP from Punjab, is with Bhagwant Mann. So Nabila, they can meet through landline numbers, and as we can see, meeting is about to end at Tihar jail, and heavy police deployment as we can see, and also Bhagwant Mann, when he will be coming out, will be speaking to media as well. So let's see, is there any strategy he shared with Arvind Kejriwal? Is there any upcoming campaign he shared with Arvind Kejriwal? It will be interesting to see, because this meeting is going on, and Arvind Kejriwal's judicial custody also ending today. So it is very interesting that this meeting is happening. Nabila.
All right, so the Punjab Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who's currently in prison, Tihar jail, his custody, judicial custody that ends today, he will be meeting with the Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann in Tihar. There's a 2-hour window that's been given. The meeting has been confirmed by the Tihar jail officials as well. It will be a communication through the jail prison bars. In fact, the preparation for this meeting has been put down as per the jail manual. So, in detail, rule book that Bhagwant Mann will have to follow if he has to communicate with with Arvind Kejriwal, a man who's currently in prison in the Delhi excise policy case. In fact, it's interesting, the Supreme Court is all set to hear Kejriwal's plea challenging his arrest today as well. In fact, he has called this arrest itself as illegal, that this detention itself is illegal, wanting interim relief at the earliest.